Wondersys Academy, the training wing of Wondersys Automation. We are located in three different cities of India now, that is Bangalore, Hyderabad, and in Pune. All of you know that industrial automation is getting day by day intelligent, interconnected, and more powerful. So all eligible technical students, if you want to make your career in industrial automation, we are here to help you. While taking training, our students will be exposed to real-time industry projects because we understand the importance of it. And also we will help our students with soft skill training. We provide online as well as offline automation training. Project engineer, those who are having around 15 to 20 years of experience in automation field, they train our students from basic up to advanced level. At our lab, you can find different brands of PLC. I want to give you a few examples: Delta, Omron, Schneider, Siemens, Allen Bradley. We are having different brands of SCADA like Cytec, Factory Top View, Wonderware, WinCC. We have VFD, HMI, control panel design, wiring, DCS, everything is available at our lab. So all technical students, if you want to make your career exciting in industrial automation domain, please reach us, give us a call, attend one demo, then you can take your decision. We are eagerly waiting for your call. Thank you.